Module 7, Lesson 4's objective is to draw a bar graph to represent a given data set. Item 2. Complete the bar graph with labels and numbers using the number of underwater animals Emily saw while scuba diving. In the chart, you can see that the title is Underwater Animals, so I will include that here on this line. Since it is a title, I will remember to capitalize both words. Underwater animals. Now, at the bottom, I will list the names of the underwater animals that she saw while scuba diving. The first one is sharks. I will remember to capitalize it just like it's shown in the chart. Sharks has a 6, which means she saw 6 sharks while scuba diving. I will draw a line where the 6 is, and then I will outline the boxes and then shade. The next category that's shown is stingrays. I will capitalize it. Since I can't fit it on the line, I will separate with a hyphen between sting and rays. I see that there were 9 seen. I will draw a line at the 9. Outline my boxes, and then shade it. The next type of animal that she saw while scuba diving is starfish. I will capitalize it. Since it doesn't fit on the line, I will divide it with a hyphen between star and fish. Then I see that she saw 14. I'll draw a line at 14, outline it, and then shade. And the final one is seahorses. I'll capitalize the word seahorses. She saw 13, so I'll draw a line at 13, outline, and then shade. As I've said in the past, it is not necessary to use different colors. It's just my choice. Now I can move on and begin solving the problems that are listed below. Item A, how many more starfish than sharks did Emily see? I'll underline how many more, and starfish than will be circled and underline sharks. When I want to know how many more of something than another, I know that I'm comparing 2 different categories. I want to know the difference between one category and another. When I'm looking for the difference, I'm looking for a subtraction problem, because difference means the answer to a subtraction problem. So let's take a look. When we subtract, we always put the big number first. I can see that starfish has 14. I think I'll just go ahead and put a star here to represent starfish, and I'll put 14. And then sharks has a 6, so I'll take that, put an SH for sharks. Once I subtract those two, The answer will go on line A, right here. Problem B. How many fewer stingrays than seahorses did Emily see? I better underline how many fewer. Stingrays, circle the word than, underline the word seahorses. Again, I'm comparing two different groups. Stingrays. The stingrays have a 9 and seahorses have a 13. Remember, when we're comparing, we always start with the larger number. So let's go ahead and write C here. For seahorses, that's 13. And subtract the stingrays. I'll just write sting right here for 9. Whatever answer you get will go on line B right here. Lastly, on problem C, it tells you to write a comparison question that can be answered using the data on the bar graph. Remember, you're comparing different groups. Questions begin with a capital and end with a question mark. Don't forget, if you need more room, to use a piece of scratch paper and write neatly, remembering to use good spacing between your words. All right, the rest is up to you.